New update, brand new update. The monk Igaguri. The brand new monk Igaguri is here, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all the update codes that you can actually redeem inside of Blue Lock right now for tons and tons of lucky spins. So if you do need an extra slot, okay, if you do need an extra slot, comment down below Igaguri, okay, Igaguri, comment down below Igaguri, and we're going to actually showcase to you how you can actually redeem yourself a bunch of free cash as well as some free spins in today's update, because this update has given us a lot of crazy codes, okay, a lot of crazy codes. You can tell by the video itself, it's gonna be a insanely overpowered class, okay, it's gonna be a world class Igaguri world class. So I'm gonna be actually redeeming all the codes. They can actually see the Igaguri updated, okay, Igaguri. Comment Igaguri if you want a free slot. I'll be giving you a free slot if you comment Igaguri the monk, okay. So the monk, okay, the monk, okay, the monk right now, the monk. Don't miss out on any of these codes, okay, don't miss out on any of these codes right now, because Igaguri. Wait, what is volleyball ascended? Yo, volleyball ascended. I mean, who cares about volleyball ascended when we got Igaguri right here on the screens, on the big screens. Make sure you guys redeem also 5 million code, the 5 million code, the King 1.5 million code right here. Redeem this code as well, King 1.5 million. Redeem this code right now, and you'll be getting a bunch of rewards as well as the rework, King rework code. Redeem code King rework right away, so you can actually get yourself the new Igaguri style. The next code is goal Sui, goal rush, okay, goal rush. Goal rush, which is kind of insane. Kaiser, wait, we still got Kaiser fix, okay, Kaiser fix. Guys, like the video right now, subscribe.